Welcome to your RAF update for October, where we catch up with the latest operations and exercises. This month, I'm at RAF Leeming with the HR team. In a landmark mission, an RAF A400M Atlas has successfully landed on the remote Arctic island of Jan Mayen, supporting a deployment that included the Norwegian Armed Forces, our UK Royal Marines, and the US Marines. The mission delivered critical equipment and reinforces NATO's strategic presence in the High North, while maintaining the RAF's agility, integration, and readiness to fly and fight. RAF Regiment Reservists have been on the Falkland Islands training for operations. Exercise Southern Sunrise 25 sees the reservists practice force protection skills on an operational airbase, while also developing fieldcraft skills in an austere environment. These exercises prepare our reservists for deployment on ops.
The RAF has HR operators all over the world, and I'm here at RAF Cranwell, the spiritual home of the Royal Air Force. Our HR teams are there to support service personnel throughout their careers, including preparing personnel for deployments on operations, administering pay and allowances, and providing welfare support in times of need. Lastly, we concluded Cobra Warrior in the UK and Bersama Lima in Malaysia, but continue to work with our partners on Operation High Mast and Eastern Sentry. That's everything for this month. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.